Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Hedera is a fairly significant task for engineers and huge endeavors. This makes it a positive venture right now, taking into account its cost drop. When the market settles, tasks like Hedera, Hbar, will unquestionably do as well, which is the reason we need to impart our value expectation to you. Hedera is one of those tasks that have incredible potential that is now settled. For this reason we accept it will develop. In this video, you will study Hedera, Hbar, will Hedera reach $1, our cost expectations for it, and regardless of whether it is a wise venture. On another note, assuming you are keen on the crypto world yet have no insight yet, we recommend perusing our Crypto for Beginners video. Whenever you're finished perusing, you will be passed on with all the important data to explore through the crypto space. Hbar price prediction for 2022 to 2030. Hedera's future cost is hard to foresee as it depends on a few elements, including the exhibition of the Hedera organization, worldwide financial circumstances, and the cost of other digital forms of money. Notwithstanding, in the event that Hedera keeps on developing as an organization at its ongoing rate, it is conceivable that the cost assessment for Hbar could undoubtedly begin moving back to 10 cents toward the finish of 2022. This would address a fairly huge increment from its ongoing cost of around 7 cents, however would in any case be way underneath its unsurpassed high of 50 cents, arrived at in September 2021. While Hedera's future cost is difficult to foresee with assurance, we are anxious to impart our logical conjecture to you. Remember that these are basically hypotheses, albeit upheld by realities and other fairly strong elements. So, how about we head on to the interesting part, Hedera cost expectations. 2022, Hedera, Hbar, price prediction. A portion of the monetary business top names have loaned their weight to Hedera's cost forecast. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the cryptographic money area exhibits that many individuals are positive about digital currency. As indicated by the into Hedera's exhibition over the course of the last year, it might accomplish an enormous lift by the end of the year, dissimilar to other huge coins like Bitcoin and ETH, and develop by around 1.5x, arriving at a cost assessment point of 10 cents, which will draw it nearer to its past levels. Obviously, there's the situation that we experience further world contentions that can influence the crypto market. All things considered, we can anticipate that Hbar should drop in cost. Nobody can say without a doubt the way that low it might go, however we can undoubtedly see it dropping to around $0.02 $0.03. 2023, Hedera, Hbar, forecast. Numerous examiners have made Hedera cost expectations for 2023, and the overall agreement is that the cost of Hedera will keep on rising. This depends on various elements, including the rising utilization of Hedera's innovation, the developing prevalence of crypto, and the general inspirational perspective for the worldwide economy. While it is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of Hedera will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Hedera should reach $0.15 $0.19 toward the finish of 2023. 2024, Hedera, Hbar, prediction. Assuming that the development for Hedera proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting huge reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is basically as moderate as conceivable to try not to mislead you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Hedera will reach somewhere around 29 cents. In the event that we let ourselves be a smidgen more speculative, we'd raise it to 35 cents. 2025, Hedera, Hbar, price forecast. As per numerous Hedera aficionados and their cost forecasts, Hbar costs might rise decisively in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of 34 cents and 39 cents. In any case, the most reasonable assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With inescapable reception, Hbar cost forecast as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Hedera organization can essentially extend and create All things considered, costs might try and go as high as 50 cents, however that is very aggressive. With respect to a more regrettable situation, there are numerous things we can't foresee, such as any worldwide military, natural, pandemic, monetary, and other comparable issues. Yet, we should investigate what we have within reach. In the event that a Hedera contender emerges, things can go south for the venture. Something else that can happen is assuming there's any adjustment of the organization's activity. This can incorporate a difference in CEO, designers, other colleagues, and so forth. Assuming that occurs, we can see the cost of Hedera dropping by 50 to 70%, meaning it will go for about $0.13, $0.16. 2026, Hedera, Hbar, price prediction. Keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make crazy cost expectations for Hedera. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of Hbar will be no less than 65 cents, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it is. We accept that Hedera will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of 57 cents and 61 cents. 2027, Hedera, Hbar, price prediction. As the years go by and Hedera proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can see it going for as much as 60 cents. Notwithstanding, assuming we are more practical, the cost could stay moving sideways, as that is a powerful development. We imply that Hbar will be assessed at around 69 cents, 74 cents. We figure the lower range of our value forecast will be more exact than the higher. However, obviously, the crypto market is very flighty, so we should sit back and watch. 2028, Hedera, Hbar, price forecast. In 2028, in the event that Hedera emerges with new undertakings and encounters further reception, we can see it possibly going out from the 70s and arriving at a cost of 81 cents, 87 cents, coming increasingly close to the $1 mark. Notwithstanding, this is for the most part hopeful. By and large, staying at around 83 cents. 2029, Hedera, Hbar, prediction. For the last year of the 10 years, we accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally. We imply that tokens will be nothing strange any longer. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so forth. Thusly, we figure Hedera will be moving from around 92 cents to 94 cents effectively, in spite of the fact that we can likewise see it coming to the $1 mark. 2030, Hedera, Hbar, forecast. Crypto value expectation.